Running a family is busy work. There are always a million things to do. So over the last week I fixed the dishwasher and my boy's quad. So I thought to myself, man, that's pretty great. I also thought, why didn't I make a video about it? But that's again the same thing. Lack of time. So yesterday when my wife was like, I asked you for ages to put together the puppet house. I was like, well, I did those other two things. So to me that seems pretty good. But then, almost immediately I was like, no man, this is mediocrity. I can't have that. I'll do it. I'm gonna make it. I'll put it together. I'll find a way. So that's this video. I will put together the puppet house for my wife. So this one is for you, babe. Ooh, it's wood. Nice. I like this already. It's made of wood for a big part, it seems, so that's always fun. So this whole project took about 30 minutes. And yeah, here's a little secret about working together as a couple. Work towards the same goal but on different things. So my wife will work on her channels and I will work on mine. And together we will join forces to make our life work. And not just that, we will make it exceptional. So let me know in the comments how you work together as a team in your life. Ah! Nothing happened, man. All's good.